Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable a clock with seconds in your system tray on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select personalization. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select the taskbar section. So go ahead and select taskbar. And then scroll down again and select where it says taskbar behaviors. And now scroll down again. And where it says show seconds in system tray clock uses more power. Go ahead and check mark that. And now you should see seconds now appear down in the system tray. If you want to hide the seconds down the road, you're welcome to do that just by unchecking this option once again. So you can see pretty easy to toggle back and forth. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.